The business-to-consumer story for GS1 Digital Link is centered on the use of a single barcode for interaction between manufacturers and consumers, retailers and their customers, and traditional point-of-sale functions. But what about business-to-business functions? GS1 Digital Link has a lot to offer here too. Acquiring and managing data requires significant effort on behalf of all business partners, and of course there are many GS1 standards and services to help with that. But can we simplify things a little? How about if we were to connect a simple UPC EAN barcode to master data, wherever the manufacturer holds it? That would make adding a new item to the inventory as easy as scanning a barcode. But we can go further. If we take a look at a typical case with a GS1 128 barcode, we'll see information like the serial shipping container code, the GTIN of the items within the case, the quantity and net weight of those items, the best before date. This crucial information is what drives many business processes, but to do so, it has to be coupled with data that originates with the manufacturer, logistics partners, solution providers, and the retailer. And that typically means a lot of effort needs to be spent by each partner to duplicate and aggregate the data, not always successfully. Let's see if we can avoid needing to do that while supporting an everyday behind-the-scenes operation, such as a member of staff needing to restock the supermarket shelf. Following the first-in, first-out principle, it's important to know whether this is the right case to open and use. It isn't. The retailer has another case in stock with an earlier best before date. Let's try another. That's the one to use. But just before we unpack that case, can we just check with the manufacturer that that batch hasn't been recalled? Okay, we're good to go. So what just happened? We took the information in the 128 barcode and, following the GS1 Digital Link standard, turned that string of characters into a web address. That allows the device to connect to the retailer's information and the manufacturer's information wherever it may be, just by using standard web technologies. The possibilities are endless. We can link to hazmat information, price information, coupon redemption systems, temperature control characteristics, location information, and more. Data can be on the company intranet or on the internet under access control or open to all, just like we see every day when we go online. What have we seen? We've seen one single barcode used for multiple B2B functions. It's connected to manufacturers' information, logistics partners' information, and retailers' information, whether that's static data or dynamic data served from an API, all underpinned by GS1 identifiers like the serialized shipping container code and, of course, the GTIN. We call this GS1 Digital Link.